How to manage payroll through Regions Bank online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to simplify paying your employees, well here is how to manage payrolls through Regions Bank online banking. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your credentials and once logged in, you simply have to go to business service section and select payroll services and regions partners with payroll solutions will help you process payments quickly. So there you simply have to enter your employee details including names, bank account info and pay rates into the payroll system and there you simply have to choose your pay schedule like weekly, bi-weekly or monthly and set up direct deposits for secure payments. And with that, you need to preview the payroll summary to review taxes, deductions, and net pay before submitting. And after that, you can just click Submit Payroll and the funds will be deposited directly into your employee's account. And that's it. That's how you can manage payrolls through Regions Bank Online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.